A stormy Lok Sabha session is expected today as the centre reintroduces the contentious Waqf Amendment Bill 2024 today. Union Minority Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju will table the bill for consideration and passage in the lower house at noon. The Lok Sabha's Business Advisory Committee (BAC), which includes leaders from all major parties chaired by Speaker Om Birla, agreed on an 8-hour debate which could be extended after taking the sense of the house. But how are the numbers stacked up in the house? Let's have a look. In the Lok Sabha, with allies TDP and JDU, the NDA seems to have the numbers to ensure that the bill sails through. In the Rajya Sabha, which has a strength of 245, the NDA has 125 MPs with 9 berths vacant. The NDA needs the support of 118 MPs, which it has, to ensure that the bill passes. While the BJP has issued a whip to all its Lok Sabha MPs directing them to be present in the House on Wednesday, the opposition India bloc was holding a meeting on Tuesday evening to discuss their flow strategy for when the bill is introduced in the parliament. Among the non-aligned parties, the YS Jagan Mohan Reddy-led YSR Congress party has said it will oppose the bill in both houses, and so will Owaisi and Chandrasekhar Azad of the Azad Samaj Party Kanshiram. The Telugu Desam Party, which is a key ally in the Narendra Modi government, is expected to ask for one key amendment to the Waqf Bill, which will be taken up for discussion in the House on Wednesday. Now, sources have told the Indian Express that the party, which on Tuesday issued a whip to its 16 MPs to be present in the Lok Sabha and support the government, will raise the issue of the bill allowing for non-Muslims in state Waqf boards. The party will unanimously demand that representation of non-Muslims in the board be left to discretion of the respective states, a TDP source said. Now, the source added that the party would support all other amendments to the bill, including inclusion of women in Waqf boards. Sources said that TDP leaders, including its chief and Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister N. Chandrababu Naidu, were part of discussions till almost midnight on Tuesday, consulting legal experts on the provisions of the bill and its implications. Naidu has also been in talks with Muslim groups to see what is acceptable to them and what is not. The TDP's opposition to inclusion of non-Muslims in Waqf boards should be considered an assurance to the Muslim community in Andhra Pradesh by the party that no major changes will be effected in the Waqf Act, a TDP source said. The primary objection to the Waqf Bill 2025 is framed in questioning the need for bringing a new law that changes the way Waqfs are managed. Asaduddin Owaisi has said that the bill's objective is to weaken the foundations of Waqf governance and to undermine the rights of Muslims. Government officials say that the 1995 Act contains some loopholes with regards to the regulation of Waqf properties, including title disputes and the illegal occupation of Waqf land, which has prompted the centre to bring a fresh law. Also, the lack of judicial oversight on Waqf management is a key issue according to officials. Questions concerning Waqf properties are heard by the Waqf Tribunal, whose decisions cannot be challenged in court. The bill is also being brought at a time when the constitutional validity of the Waqf Act is under challenge before the Delhi High Court. The government has argued that a unified digital listing of Waqf properties, which is mandated by the bill, will bring down litigation and ensure transparency and efficiency in governing Waqf properties. For more updates, keep watching the Indian Express.